Alright, here's a bit of an update. The other day I showed you all the front end of the boat. These sorts of things was here, blah blah blah. But anyway, I went to move it and I dropped that rope down there, and I had my hand on here, so all the weight went on this, just ripped it off. So it's in a pretty sad state anyway under there, pretty crappy. So I guess, you know, that's somebody's really dodgy fucking repair, you know, so kind of glad that it came off, because now I've gone through and filled up all these holes, used that kneaded bog, which is fantastic, love that shit. Filled up these, sanded this all down level again across there, put these in. It took a little bit of working out to get those angles, and you know, you can see the angles and all that there. Quite enjoyed that. Took a bit of thinking, you know. And now I've put on this thing, because that other one's all flogged out, so that's all glued on now, and I'll just sand all that up, pretty it up. When I finish painting everything, I'll do the varnishing last on all this. Put another coat of varnish on there the other day. It's looking nice and glassy. Probably do another one. But I like the I thought about the idea of filling up all the holes and that, but I thought, no, you know, I'm not into perfect. I like the idea of the boat tells a story, and that's the story of the boat. There's all the holes in there, there's all the way people rig it up over the years. And when I put it together and rig my sails up and all of my cleats and everything, I'm going to do it my way as well. I may or may not utilise some of those holes, but yeah, see how we go. Shows its story, tells its story, the boat. And so I'm not looking to make it look all perfect, just want to get it in the water, you know. Anyway, that's a bit of an update, and I'll keep doing little updates and progress as we progress. And when I put this on, I'm not going to do that same shape, you know. Put them there. What I'm thinking of doing is I'm thinking of putting one. I'm thinking of putting one piece instead of two, which that would have been. Anyway, I might look at that. I may duplicate that shape. Not sure. See how it goes. Anyway, check you later. Any comments or anything? And I did varnish that thing too. Just that. Just to. I haven't done the whole burn, the whole gaff, but I just did that so I could just see what it looked like. And I don't know. I'll clean that white crap off before I do another one on it. I don't know. I'm not completely sold on the look of it, but we'll see. I might even end up painting it, cover it up. Anyway, we'll have a go. We'll have a bit of fun. All right, thanks guys. Any comments or anything, be appreciated. Bye.